Jared, Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com, and welcome back to another Squarespace rapid fire critique where I take one of your websites and give it a critiquerson. Now this one is a little special because it's someone that I helped out over a year ago with a brand new kit. Well, a new kit to them. It was a 1DX Mark II, a 70-200 2.8, a 16-35, my camera bag, and everything they needed to get started. And check out this reply. We're gonna critique her website that's been updated, but I checked in on her to see how she was doing, and this is her reply. Jared, how are you? I saw you were at the Phillies game the other day. I love the shots you got. It's going extremely well. I just started my second year at South Kent, but the opportunities I've had are unbelievable. After growing my portfolio, I have interviewed with the San Jose Sharks, New York Jets, USA Soccer, and Vegas Golden Knights, all for graphic design. I also had Syracuse University and the New Jersey Devils reach out. I can't thank you enough for putting me in the position I am today. From the videos you create to the 1DX you gave me, all of it helped me be a better creator. I'm so grateful. Attached is my portfolio. I've been working on it a lot. I was wondering what you thought. How can I make it better? What stands out to you? Let me know. Stay in touch. I mean, how awesome is that to know that somebody I helped out is getting these opportunities that they might not have gotten any other way. So let's jump into her website and rip it apart and yell at her so she can get even better. Okay, so this is it. This is her website. It is actually built on Squarespace, but again, it doesn't matter if it's built on Squarespace or not built on Squarespace. This is her front page. I personally would prefer something along the lines of this, something that introduces you to the website and then allows you to pick your own adventure. This, of course, is mine. Doesn't mean that it is right or wrong. It's just, I like the idea where you go to the homepage and you're like faced with a choice. Would you like to see my sports? Would you like to see my graphic design? Maybe that would be the option. But I can tell you that her images have gotten so much better. These are a really good cross-section of images to start out with. I want to go to this. Let's go to her ice hockey, because that's what I critiqued for her a lot. Stuff like this shot, why can't I click on it? Really? I can't make this any bigger? Squarespace? I can't make this bigger? Well, how the hell am I supposed to see them if I want to make them bigger? Okay, so critique here is I would like to be able to click on these images and see them larger. So like photo stories, let's click on Poison. I can go ahead and, well, they're bigger. I also can click down here to have a gallery to go through, but then I can be like, oh, I want to see this photo, and then it's bigger. And then I can arrow through or hit up and it brings the gallery back up. Really easy. So the fact that I can't click on these, I do not like that I can't click on these. In terms of, yeah, I want to click on them and see them bigger. So let's see what images I wouldn't use. I probably wouldn't use this one right here because there's no context. Yeah, he probably just scored a goal, but it looks like he's on his knee. This one with the ref in the way, wouldn't use this one at all. I told her to do some more photojournalistic type shots, which are great, like the people warming up. That's a great shot. Somebody walking in, that's a good shot. I mean, this is a basic, boring hockey shot. There's not much you can do. The goal shot's better. This getting ready's better. Goalie on the bench, fine. This kid on the bench, okay. This black and white, better. Goal, fine, I guess. I want more photojournalistic stuff. This is too much just blah. And what I mean by too much blah, I mean it's just basic, can I say bitch? Am I allowed to say bitch? It's basic bitch style hockey shots. So where's the action type images? Yes, you got someone scoring a goal. Yes, you got someone standing around. Those aren't the shots that are super interesting. So I want to see more atmosphere. And I know that these rinks are generally empty, but I want to see a little more, just more of what's going on. But some of this stuff is much better, the behind the scenes stuff, but are there other? So we just got ice hockey. I thought there were more. I want to see more. I want to see more. Like this practice shot, no good. This, really good, walking to the bench. This, low down on the bench, awesome. Those are the type of shots I want to pop up to the top. This shot, no good. It's, yeah, sure, a goal was scored. They're going to skate to the bench. Not much is going on there. Pretty basic here. I would go with more of the photojournalistic look and mix in some of the best hockey stuff. And I don't think that this is the best hockey stuff. I think the photojournalistic stuff is better because anybody can shoot this type of shot. It's fine, it's good. Your editing is so much better than where it started. The colors are spot on. Those are the positives to look at. Other than that, website-wise, I want to be able to click and go see something else. In terms of I want the image to get larger. Basketball. It looks like you're popping a flash off for basketball, so that's good. These look pretty good. Why are these images bigger than these? And why is my voice gone? You wanna know why my voice is gone? I was yelling at the Phillies. Like, not at the game when I'm shooting, but when they were coming from behind from 5-0, they lost the second game, but I was like yelling. I was by myself so I could get excited. I don't get excited when other people are around. I don't let them see that. But yeah, these are good. I like the colors and the tones. Great job on your processing. It's getting so much better. Let's see what we've got for soccer, as the foreigners call it, footy. Great colors, great colors. These are good. Now see, it's just, low angle, nicer than hockey for whatever reason. That's nice using that natural frame. Really nice to go into the locker room and get some setup shots. I like the cross section here. This is probably not a good soccer shot because this guy is out of focus and just blocking this. So it makes it less interesting. I know you probably only have a 70-200. Should I send her a 400-2.8 to borrow? Should I send her a 400 to borrow? Because then you use it for a couple months or a year, and then you send it back to me so I can send it to someone else. I think I might have to do that. I've got a couple of those floating around for her. You want that, Alicia? You want that? I think she wants that. Guys, comment down below. Should I give her the lens to borrow? Borrow so that she can then give it back and then I can give it to someone else. I think that's a good idea. Good idea, Jared. Really good idea. Looks good. Now let's see what we have with graphic design. See, this is well-rounded. This is what I'm talking about. As a creative, you gotta do more. You gotta be a photographer. You gotta be a video shooter, a photo editor, a video editor, audio engineer, graphic designer. If you are that quadruple threat, if you can do it all, they're gonna want you for a job position because you could do photos, video, audio engineering, editing of all sorts. You know what to do. That is a quadruple threat. That's what people want to hire. It's very difficult to just be a photographer and make your way in the world today because it takes everything you got. I don't know the rest of the lyrics to Cheers. Wouldn't you like? So this is awesome to see. This is really good graphic design. This is awesome. You know why it's awesome? Because I know that every sports team, from minor league sports to major league sports, has a social media person down there taking video, taking photos for TikTok, Instagram, whatever, and then they take and they edit images and they make reels out of them, or they make interesting collages. So for you to be able to shoot and edit and graphic design, that's a win. So I like these two options, but what I would like to see is at the beginning of your webpage to start right here. Now, this is a good time for me to say that this video is brought to you by Squarespace. If you're looking to build your very own online portfolio like I've done and what Alicia has done, you can do it. It's easy, it's simple, it's affordable, and you don't need to know any coding. Let me show you something right here. It took me a matter of 5 minutes to get this gallery up and going. All I had to do was export my images at 4,000 pixels the way that I wanted them, uploaded them here. It took no time to get up there, and it's already out in the world. That's why I use Squarespace. To get your 14-day free trial, head on over to squarespace.com/FroKnowsPhoto. If you decide that it's for you, use the code FroKnowsPhoto at checkout to get 10% off your first order. And that's my voice. It's already shot. So back here, let's see about. I also don't like all that dead space. About. Welcome to my sports photography and social content portfolio. My name is Alicia Sandella, and I'm a 24-year-old creative based out of West Haven. I don't care about how old you are, by the way, Alicia. I wouldn't even put that there. Out of West Haven, Connecticut. I'm currently the social media coordinator for South Kent School located in South Kent, Connecticut. After being a collegiate ice hockey player while studying marketing in King's College. Ooh, I like this. So what I like about, see, this is why we don't need age. Because what I like about it is that after being a collegiate ice hockey player, so you said that you played ice hockey in college, it's also saying that you went to college, it's also saying that you're out of college. Studying marketing at King's College, many doors have opened in my creative journey. My love for sports has led me to capturing the stories of other like-minded high-profile athletes from many unique perspectives. I want to thank Jared Polin of FroKnowsPhoto for being so amazing and setting me up with a kit that has really saved my life and helped me become a better creative, and he's even going to send me a 400 2.8 to borrow to shoot some sports. That doesn't need to be there, but I thought it sounded good. This is good. Just get rid of the age thing. And finally, well, we got publications. We got contact. So if we want to contact you, oh, what is this? What is das? It's so easy to make a contact form. I go to contact, I have a contact form. Get your contact form up there, Alicia. Not this. I can't even click on this. What is this? You can literally drag and drop a contact form and it will email you directly. It takes 2 seconds. And then finally, we've got publications. I mean, I say because it's like, I don't know that this matters that much. Maybe it's okay, you know, to see this, but I guess. I guess it's okay. Like the publications things doesn't grab me unless it was like Sports Illustrated cover or some big stuff. Not that Sports Illustrated exists anymore. So that's my take on this. It's nice that you have this. Maybe do a vlog type of thing instead where you chronicle your experiences shooting something and then you can put it up like published here. I know that takes a little bit more work, but that gives you some social media stuff. So that's what I would do. I see you've got your LinkedIn, you've got your Twitter, you've got your whatever this is right here. Please don't be the doorbell. Good, it wasn't the doorbell ringing. So that's what I have to say. I think it's good, but I want to be able to click, oh, why can I click on these images? Holy Jesus, I can click on those, but I can't click on these? I can't click on these, but I can click on them in the front page. See, I like that I can do this. Alicia, you need to get this done. And this needs to be edited better. It's too bright. Probably black and white would make that pop, but I really like that you got close and got the shot. Good shots. You picked some really good ones up here. I love this. Great photojournalistic stuff. This one, not so much. It's not really a good photo. That needs to get out of there. That's good. That's fine. Fine. Good. I know I shouldn't be critiquing all this, but yeah, these are fine. Some of those just need to get out of there. I want to be able to do that on all the pages. So that's what I have to say there. I think she's done a great job, and it really means a lot to have someone say the things that she said, because I don't get to see it all the time. I give away gear. I don't promote it all the time. If I meet someone and I'm like, they could use some gear, I'll set them up with some of that Canon gear that Canon hooked us up with. So that's what I have to say, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com. See ya.